Got an awesome question from Academy student Alex today. How do you find consistency and balance with work and other interests? I always find myself going 100% effort into something, example training, and then when I find a new interest or focus, I will completely stop the first one to focus 100% on something else. How can I get better at adding new things into my lifestyle without cutting out everything else? Incredible. I love this question because I find this so relatable. And the thing is, firstly, I want to address, like, a lot of people will scrutinize you for having this personality type. Like, oh my God, dude, you keep going from one extreme to the other. Why? Doesn't make sense. What I've noticed, okay, is that actually, every single high performer I know are the exact same way. These guys, they might put a magnifying glass on their fitness journey for like 6 months, and then they'll do a magnifying glass on their business for 3 months, so on and so forth. And the problem is, like, a lot of people that try and gaslight you and tell you that this is bad, you should just have a life of balance, bro. Just live a life of balance. I think that's absolute horseshit, to be honest with you. Because in order to build something extraordinary and excellent, you need to be willing to sacrifice. You need to be willing to go like insanely hard on it, right? So Alex, you're new to the academy, so you might find that going really hard on video editing for the next 3 to 6 months will serve you excellently. And you can put other things like fitness and your MMA training, which I know you do, more into maintenance for the sake of focusing on building your editing income, right? Because that's what it takes to win. You do need to obsessively think about what you're trying to achieve. For example, if you're doing a fight camp, that has 100% of your attention, right? Because if it doesn't, you're gonna get fucking knocked out, okay? Same with building a new business like editing. If it doesn't have 100% of your attention and your attention is fragmented, you're gonna be really stuck. But the good news is, and this is what everyone, misses, is that once you do have what you want, it's way easier to maintain, like muscle. And I know you get this, Alex, because you're jacked. I bet it took massive amounts of focus and discipline to build that muscle, right? You had periods of obsessive learning and training, and now you've achieved an awesome physique. Congratulations. And now that you've built the physique, it's way easier to maintain. You don't have to go to the gym 6, 7 times a week. You don't have to have the perfect diet. You just need to maintain it. And it's the same thing with anything that you want in life. So sure, while you're focusing on building your video editing business, you won't be obsessively thinking over fitness. You won't be sat on the toilet thinking, fuck, I need to think about what macros I'm in and I need a new workout split. You're not watching fitness related videos on YouTube, right? Because for you to be competitive at editing and to build the skill and the foundational knowledge of your business, you need to be thinking about video editing. But you certainly can go to the gym 2 or 3 times a week and hit an hour workout to maintain your muscle mass, because you've already got it. So my message to you, Alex, and anyone else who's watching this who might have a bit of an extreme personality like this and they go from one extreme focus to the next, don't vilify yourself for that shit, man. Don't let these fucking normies gaslight you into thinking like, yeah, you're weird, bro. You just need to have a life of balance, dude. Just where's your balance? These people who tell you this, they haven't achieved anything that you want, okay? They aren't particularly extraordinary at anything that they do. So why would you take advice from them? If you ruthlessly sacrifice for the next 6 months on your video editing business, using the knowledge and the resources the academy has to offer you, the network, you're in the video calls every single day, you're chatting with the boys, you're learning, you're sharing resources, you're constantly practicing editing, you're looking for constructive feedback on your negotiations so that you can do better for the next time. You're gonna be making 3 to 5K a month from your laptop in 3 months from now. So sure, be extreme, be a weirdo for 3 months, but then you've set yourself up, then you're chilling. You can go anywhere in the world with your laptop. You can train fucking MMA in Thailand. You can do whatever you want. If you take the normie advice of just live a life of balance, you'll have a fucking mediocre existence. And then guess what? You've reached 3 to 5K a month income with video editing. Maybe you want to start obsessing over something else. Maybe you want to obsessively think about building awesome relationships in your life, and that has your full attention. And then you put video editing, if you want, into maintenance, and you maintain your 3 to 5K a month income. You're not looking to particularly scale it much further than that for now. Cool, man. Awesome. But to be fair, even when it is in maintenance, because you have all of the knowledge you need to continue to scale, you don't actually need to continually obsess over it over time, because you have mostly what you need. So it becomes way easier to maintain. I hope this helps. Don't let the normies vilify you for being extreme, boys, because they're normies. They're not extraordinary at anything. They're probably the type of guys who would bully you at school. But now they have completely average existences with very average incomes and average girlfriends. You don't want to be like that. You want to be a fucking Donnie video editor, traveling the world, living the fucking James Bond lifestyle. And if that sounds like you and you're watching this video and you're not inside of my academy, consider getting involved, because we're building the best video editing network on the planet, along with over 35 hours of course footage, teaching you how to become a video editing god, from complete beginner all the way to advanced animations. But on top of that, I'll also show you how to actually monetize and make money doing video editing. If that sounds like you and you want to live the James Bond lifestyle, click the first link in the description right now, and take care, guys.